Hi, today in front of me ZTE AXON 25G, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So let's first open the Play Store application, and in the search we'll enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, that's why we should tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app and click Enable in Settings. Now near green Apple keyboard, tap once on the switcher and click twice to OK. After that, go back and click to switch input methods. Here you should switch your current keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now that process is finished, so let's use the search to see the new look of the keyboard, and we can see that it's so close to the iPhone 1 as the all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.